Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Shifts. My name is Jason and we're back again with our 2023 Tesla Model S Plaid. And today I was prepping it to get the windows tinted, but I also decided, hey, everybody's talking about these wheel covers right here. Let's go ahead and pop them off and see what they look like. But before we get to that, let's take a clean look at the before tint pictures here of the Tesla. Alright, so this is about as clean as I can get her with all this pollen out here now. It's that time of year down here in South Carolina where everything gets covered in pollen. But here's how she looks as the big glass bubble, or fishbowl, as a lot of people like to say, with no tint on it. And so it's still a good looking car, don't get me wrong, but you can see down through into everything and see everyone in the vehicle. And I'm really looking forward to getting some tint onto this vehicle so it is not quite the fishbowl effect going on. But of course I'm going to let the professionals do it so it looks right and it doesn't get goofed up. I have some talents, but I'd prefer to let the pros do stuff like this so it looks like it was done by a pro. So anyway, let's go ahead and pop off some of these wheel covers here and take a look at what the Tempest wheels look like without these covers on them, and see if we like that or not. All right, so what I've been told and what I've seen on the internet, these covers here will just pull right off. So let's go ahead and give them a tug and see if these will come off like we've seen. There we go. They do pull right off. So that's not a bad looking wheel. Let's go ahead and clean it up real quick and see what we got. Now, I would say that's not a bad looking wheel. Put a little center cap in there and you should be good to go. And some bulk covers. I think that would look pretty good. Let's go ahead and take the rest off and take a look. All right, so there you have it. That's what it looks like without the caps on. Here's what the caps will look like. Here's what it looks like without them. You guys let me know what you think. Go ahead and leave a comment down in the comments and let me know if you like it with the cap or without the cap. And like to see what you guys think. I don't know, I'm kind of mixed on this. Maybe it's because I don't have a center cap and bulk caps on it. Maybe I'll go pick those up. They're not too expensive. Throw those on there, see what I think. But honestly, I'm kind of thinking I like it with the cap on. The gray and the black kind of set it off a little bit for me. But I'll go ahead and pick those up and we're going to go take this in and get the tint done here. And we'll report back after that's completed. And you guys can leave your comments on the tints, the fishbowl look, and these wheels, or without the caps, with the caps, and we'll go from there. So we'll go get that done. For you guys, it'll be 3 seconds. For me, it might be a couple days here. So we'll be right back with you. So we're back with the Tesla Model S Plaid, and as you can tell, the tint is now done. I took the caps off the wheels and put the caps on that I got off Amazon. I'll leave a link down below for you guys to get to those if you want to see that. As an Amazon participant, every time you guys make a purchase helps us out a little bit. So if you like those and want to use those, go ahead and grab that link for us. But I think the tint looks great. It's the right color for this. It looks really dark on the outside right now, especially in this kind of overcast weather that we have. But it looks really good. It turned out great. Sitting inside the car, you still have good visibility out. It's very clear. I'll jump in there and show you guys that real quick. The wheels, I'm kind of mixed on those. They look good without wheel covers on. I prefer not to have wheel covers on there. But I will say that the wheel covers in this setup with this size wheel does make the tire look smaller, and I do like that a little bit better. So I actually lean towards leaving the wheel covers on there. But let's take a closer look. You guys will have to give me your opinion of how it looks with just the wheels as they are. As you can see, that's without the wind reduction covers on there, caps, wheel covers, whatever you want to call them. But the tint turned out really nice. It's really nice to have on there and not being a glass bowl for everybody to look at you. Turned out really well on the back, and the wheels are off on the sides. Again, I kind of like the covers. I might put those back on, but I'm gonna rock it as it is for right now and see how I feel about these after a little bit. See if I go back to putting the covers back on. But let's go ahead and jump inside and you guys can see how dark it is from the inside. So someone commented, why would you put floor mats in this car? That's why I put floor mats in this car. It just collects all this stuff, so why not put a mat protection in there so you can capture that and vacuum it up really easily. As you guys can see, sitting in here, the tint, there's no tint on the front windshield, and then there's tint on the sides. The camera does hide it a little bit, but sitting inside the vehicle, it's not dark at all. You can still see very clearly right through the window. No issues there. And then you have the factory tint on the roof, glass on the roof, but it turned out really nice. All in all, very happy with this. I've been using the same guy to do the tint for us, but I like it. I think it looks great. I think this was a great ad. It's an 18% ceramic tint and it looks great. So guys, drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the wheels with or without the caps. Let me know if you guys like the tint. I think it looks great. And we'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the likes. Please share this video. We'll have some more content coming to you. We did take this for a couple trips this week. Couple hour trips long. We didn't have to use any Tesla superchargers, but we did get free charging at our destination location. And so far, really loving this thing. It's a lot of fun on those curvy mountain roads. And I'm looking forward to spending a lot more time with it. So thanks for checking in. Hit that like, subscribe, and we'll check you guys out in the next video.